What do you think about Melania Trump?
Melania Trump.
Yeah. Did she really go to the university in Slovenia?
I don't believe.
I don't believe
She
it
was a
either.
model. And
Yeah.
nothing in head.
And now her parents are American citizens also.
Yes, I know. I heard.
Does she come visit Slovenia?
I don't know.
Do you believe she speaks 5 languages?
I speak better
Yes,
English
you do.
than her.
You do. Yeah, I've never heard her speak anything but English. Nothing else. But she says she speaks German, French, Italian, I don't know what else.
Bad Slovenian and bad English.
Maybe 2 bad languages makes one
good, yes.
But it has a lot of hills too, right?
Yes. But it's nice.
Yes, but you have to be a good cyclist.
Yeah.
Do you cycle?
Sometimes, when I'm not working.
Yeah.
In the beginning of season or end of season.
Yeah, nice.
Now it's a season and I work for all day.
How did you learn English?
A little in the school, a little from Arnold Schwarzenegger.
You might need to teach him.
He's our neighbor, there is Austria.
Yeah, Austria is very close. Do some people confuse Slovenia and Slovakia?
Yes.
Yeah, they do, huh? And some people confuse Austria and Australia.
Two, yes.
Yeah. Our friend from Austria, he bought a magnet that says, "There are no kangaroos in Austria."
Good, yes.
Yeah. So you remember before 1999?
Yes. I'm 52 years old.
Okay. Yeah, you look good.
I live in Yugoslavia.
Right. It was very different then?
Yes, it was better.
It was better when it was
For the
Yugoslavia.
working people, it was better.
Yeah, okay.
We have health, security, jobs, we have apartments, it was cheap. Everything was okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it?
I lived short time in the Yugoslavia, but it was nice.
Yeah.
My parents tell me.
Well, they would know. They lived in both.
Yes.
And what about the euro? Is that
Euro.
better for you to have the euro or better?
No, it's so expensive.
Right. Yeah, it seems expensive.
Double expensive.
Wow. What was the old money called?
Tolar.
Tolar.
Tolar, yeah.
Oh, almost like dollar.
Yes.
Dollar.
T, yes.
Yeah.
T, Tolar.
Uh-huh. Is Harley Davidson big in Slovenia?
Yes, it's a meeting of Harley Davidson and all bikers in the Fackersee in Austria.
Ah, okay. But that's one time a year? Or?
Yes, one time in a year.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I saw the Harley Davidson signs.
Yes. But they, all the restaurants welcome bikers because bikers have money.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's rich people.
Yeah, I was at...
I think.
Yeah, no, you're right. You're right. It's an expensive hobby.
Yes, very expensive.
But Harley Davidson is always made in the U.S.? Or they make them in Europe?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Really, I don't know.
Yeah, because if they have to import them all, that's a lot.
Maybe they buy licenses and maybe
maybe
somewhere.
somewhere cheap. Hungary or, I don't know, somewhere.
Yes,
Yeah.
the original is maybe very expensive.
Yeah. So we are now in the town of Bled.
Yes, this is a bus station.
Okay.
Okay. Orce.
Orce.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.